In this video, we'll teach you how to transfer money USDT from Binance to your Neteller account. So first of all, we need to log into our Binance account. So to withdraw money from Binance to Neteller, we need to use the P2P trading. So we need to go to trade in the top menu and then click on P2P. Right here, you need to click on sell because we are selling crypto on Binance and we want to receive the money on Neteller. After that, you need to choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. I will do it on USDT. Then you need to click on payment methods, and in the search you need to write Neteller and you need to tick on it. Right here we'll see a lot of exchangers who are exchanging money from Binance to Neteller. Right here is a filter. We can filter them with completed order number, for example. So for example, this person has got more than 700 orders and the rating is 99%, almost 100%. Duration is 15 minutes. So we can use this exchanger. Let's click on sell USDT. Then you need to enter the amount of money you want to send from Binance. The minimum amount in this case is 200, so I will write 200. And if I sell 200 USDT, I will receive 183.95 USD on my Neteller account. Then you need to set up your Neteller account. You need to click on set my payment method, then choose Neteller, and you need to set up your account. After that, you can click on sell USDT. You will sell your 200 USDT according to this example, and in maximum 15 minutes you will receive this amount of USD on your Neteller account. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.